In this video, I will show you how to get digital coupons on Publix. So first of all, open your Publix app or simply go to Google Chrome or any web browser. In the search bar, search for Publix website. Then click on the URL. Then you will find this menu written at the top of the screen. Click on it. From here, you can log in or sign up. Once you logged in or signed up, what you can do is simply from your home screen, click on the menu again, click on savings, then click on digital coupons, then scroll down below and here you can find all the coupons, and just below every coupon you can see this icon called clip coupon. Simply click on it. After that you will be able to use the clip coupon while checking out. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.